What's up y'all, Wallamoose here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add hyperlinks to a PDF to make them interactive. Should be a pretty quick video, so let's jump in here and get started. Alright, so the program we're going to be using to add your link to your PDF is Adobe Acrobat. I'm sure there's multiple different programs you can use this with, but Acrobat's just what I'm used to, so I'm going to use that for this video. So if you're following along, go to whatever PDF you want to add the link to, right-click it, and then open with Adobe Acrobat. Now, I'm going to use this ebook that I created for my coffee company as an example. So whenever you open Acrobat, let's say I want to add a link to this logo. And so when people click on it, it goes to my website. What you want to do is you should have this general interface. And on the right-hand side, you should have a box that says Search Tools. Now, this is where you search through the wide array of tools that Acrobat has for you. We're going to type in link. And when you do that, it pulls up two options, link and then add or edit link. So we want to do this second one for add or edit. So you click on that and you notice there's a box around this logo. That's because I already added a link to this PDF, but let's say I haven't already. So whenever you click add or edit link, your cursor should turn into, see on this left-hand side over here, it's like a little crosshair. This lets you drag anywhere you want on the PDF. And then whatever you drag inside of that is going to be the clickable link. So let me just do this again, double over the logo, and when I let go, it pulls up this box for create a link. Now there's a few different options that you can do, but I keep it pretty standard every time. I usually keep it with an invisible rectangle. And what this means is when you export the PDF, you won't see the clickable box. And that's like this box around the logo, you won't see that. And most people don't want you to see the clickable box. And so I leave it as invisible rectangle. And then this is where you choose what you want the link to do. You can either go to a page within your PDF, open a file, custom link, or open a web page. So I'm going to do open a web page and hit next. And this is where you can add the URL. So when people click on it, it goes to this URL. So I'm just going to add my website, vanillamousecoffee.com. And speaking of which, if you like coffee, check that out. It's pretty good coffee if I do say so myself. But just hit OK. And now you can see it is blue because it is now live. And so now, whenever I go to File, Save, and I open up this PDF in Preview, like so, and I click on it, it will take me to my website. So pretty easy to use. Like I said before, I'm sure there's different ways to do this, but I found the Acrobat way is the most easiest way to do it. So I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.